Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica. In this video, we deal with the idiom in a nutshell, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is to explain very briefly, or when something is being explained very briefly, giving only the main points. The manager has a big announcement to make to the team. In a nutshell, guys, we are set to make a record annual profit. Everyone should be proud of what we've achieved here. Here are some further examples, starting with social situations. After they got home from the holiday, she was telling her friend about how they got on. Our holiday couldn't have gone worse. In a nutshell, the hotel was a dump and it rained every day. James got annoyed with Terry, so he left the party. The guys are talking about it. Why did James leave? Knowing James, it's complicated, but in a nutshell, he's angry because Terry spilled his drink on him. She confides in her friend after her relationship finished. In a nutshell, it's all because he wanted some space. Here are some further examples, starting with professional situations. They are working on a new app and presenting it to management. So, in a nutshell, it makes appointment booking extremely easy for the user. There seems to be an issue with the servers. The supervisor is demanding answers. What happened? In a nutshell, everything just crashed after we tried to install the new update. The employee is in a disciplinary meeting with their manager. Let me explain this to you in a nutshell. If you're late again, you are fired. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please let us know.